Welcome to another episode of Falcons franchise, where we are in week 16, only 2 more weeks after today till the regular season is over, and our nightmare of a first year concludes. Words are hard. Words are definitely hard. So we've only won one game. It's most of them haven't been close. We're playing Lamar Jackson and the Ravens today, so I mean our schedule this year was so tough. Looking at it throughout the beginning of the year, I was like, I don't know how many wins we're gonna get. So we had to do what we had to do. It's a learning experience. I did adjust the sliders slightly to try to make it a little easier for us, just until we can find some kind of rhythm on offense. Just because we've been so bad lately. But we're gonna go ahead and do our weekly strategy here for the Ravens. Defensive game plan. What are we gonna do? We're gonna have to try to contain Lamar Jackson. I think. I don't know why they showed Tyler Huntley there. That's a little weird, but gonna have to contain Lamar Jackson if we want any chance of winning this game. Offensively, what do we want to do? We want to run the ball. Justin Tucker, why is he up there? For inside run? Okay. Weird. I hope he's defending the run. That'd be awesome for us. I'm gonna run it every freaking play. And let's hope for no injuries here. As the season is winding down, we're just purely looking to play spoiler here as Arnold Ebiketie has a shoulder strain despite being out already. So why he's practicing, I don't know. A lot of fatigue. A lot of fatigue for the boys. Offensively, still a lot of fatigue. Hopefully no injuries. Doesn't appear so. But, I mean, fatigue, come on. Play through it. There's only a few games left in the year, man. We're a terrible team. As Kyle Pitts has an upgrade point. We haven't had too many upgrade points because we've been bad. So it's hard to upgrade when you're bad all the time. But we want to go into possession for him. Try to get some good upgrades, and we will get 1 short route, 2 catching traffic. All right, I'll take it. Definitely been our best receiver, over 1,000 yards this year. And that is going to lead us into this game against the Baltimore Ravens. It was an 83 overall. Lamar Jackson, Mark Andrews, Marlon Humphreys are their top players. So we're going to go into their house today, Battle of the Birds, Baltimore, Maryland, to see if we can come out on top with a win. It looks like a good day for some football out there in Baltimore. And we are going to receive the ball. As Justin Tucker kicks it underway, and they're wearing really cool uniforms, got to say. As Batson's just going to let it fly out of the back of the end zone. As our offense will take the field for the first time today. And it has been a struggle for us. Desmond Ridder, 40-plus interceptions, I believe, to less than 10 touchdowns. I mean, he has just been awful this year. As Khalil Herbert gets a good run. He kept going for 17. Khalil Herbert, what a play. And if that's how the run's going to go today, sign me up. Sign me up for all the runs. And Baltimore has some momentum. How do they have momentum? Do they start with it? Good tackle for him. Gained a yard. Not having the worst year. Yards per carry is a little low, but other than that, Khalil Herbert's been amazing for us, and I couldn't be happier with the trade. Him, Cordell Patterson in a second. I'm so happy with it. I'm happy to use that second round pick as Khalil Herbert's going to get the ball here, and Ravens come flying in all around as he gains 16 yards. And Khalil Herbert in on the passing game last week, a lot more than usual, so that was nice. Nice to see from him. And we're going to put Edwards here on a nice little comeback route that works out perfectly as Edwards gets the first down. Great play by Brian Edwards, who going to have to think about his future on the team. He hasn't really done much for us this year. Not that anyone really has, but he's fairly replaceable. He's not that high overall. He's not that good. So he is replaceable. So that's going to be a 2nd and 2. We're going to try to run the ball again here. Drake London's played okay at times. Had a lot of drops this year, which is a little concerning. But other than the drops, he's had some good games. It's going to be 3rd and 2 from the 22. And you know it, Khalil Herbert's getting the ball again. He has been our bell cow when it comes to short yardage situations, and he gets another one there. Great play, Khalil Herbert. And the Ravens defense kind of getting tore up by us a little bit here, which is unusual for us and them, I'm sure. But definitely for us. And that's intercepted. I did not see number 44 back there somehow. Did not see Marlon Humphreys in the back there. That was on me for sure. Wow. And that's our biggest problem this year. Promising drives being undone by stupid mistakes. And that's what's really killed us this year. As we get a sack on Lamar Jackson. Daniel Falalele is injured for them. And we start out on defense in a big way. Incomplete. 3rd and 15 for the Ravens here in their first possession after the pick. Our defense trying their best to get the ball back to the offense to say, hey man, score points this time, will you? Nice pass breakup by the defense. And that'll bring up 4th down, and our defense holds strong. What a play by our Falcons, who's definitely been our best unit of the year, the Falcons defense. Even though we've lost every freaking game, they have played admirably well most of the time. So here we are back out on offense after not paying for our mistakes. And we're going to try to rectify that with some scores here. Denzel Mims gets the play, and he's going to run in for a touchdown. Denzel Mims, what a play. That's what we're talking about. We come back and strike. Denzel Mims trying to get the contract extension after being picked up as a free agent earlier on in the year, and he has played quite well for us as he is taking off. What a play by Denzel Mims there. Great play. And we are going to be up by a touchdown here after the pick and the 3 and out by the Ravens. As Baltimore has another injury, and they've got the injury bug right now. And let's see if we can get after Lamar Jackson like we were that first drive. Because if we can, I like our chances today. As Devin Duvernay returns it to the 22, and someone else is down for the Ravens. And the Ravens are having quite the time here with injury. Deion Jones, nice play. He's got to stay committed to the run. Stay committed to the run lanes. He's had a very similar season to our Khalil Herbert, so we know what kind of he brings to the table. But they still got Lamar. And that's going to be a completion there to Rashad Bateman, I believe. Nice play by the Ravens offense. And we're going to look to capitalize on this offense and try to get a turnover. And the ball's out. The ball's out, recovered by the Ravens. But he did fumble. We know it's possible. Let's try to get another fumble, guys. Oh, we run into our own man. Trying to bring Lamar down to the ground, and he has a huge gain, Lamar Jackson, as Troy Anderson runs right into his own man trying to make a play on that. Nice play by Deion Jones, saving a touchdown. But he does get the first down, Lamar Jackson. But that surely would have been a touchdown if Deion Jones wouldn't have made that tackle. Surely. And that's going to be a touchdown, J.K. Dobbins. And the Baltimore Ravens are going to tie it up here, pending the extra point, as they march down the field themselves and get a score. As it's going to be 7-7. As we get the ball here. Kicking off by Justin Tucker, and will we have a chance to return? We won't. Ball out to the 25-yard line. Desmond Ridder, Khalil Herbert, Drake London, Kyle Pitts back on the field. And we've had a lot of success running the ball today, so let's stick with it on first down. Nice play by Khalil Herbert, just gaining a few yards. As what are we going to do here, I think? I think I'm going to leave Smith in the block permanently. Put Kyle Pitts on a release out, or a release straight there. That seems good. It's a great pass to Drake London. And Desmond Ridder, having some success here. Having some success doesn't really mean a lot since we've seen how he's played the rest of the year, so it's not like we're going to be fooled. Desmond Ridder's going to take it, slide, and there's a flag on the play. Hopefully it's not on us, and it's going to be a hold on the offense. Come on, guys. Jake Matthews. Can't be holding, man. We need these plays. You know how hard it is for us to have good plays? Can't be holding. Oh, and there's a flag. What is that flag? Pass interference on Baltimore. We'll take it. Jordan Hicks is guilty of pass interference. Is he? I don't know. Didn't even see him. Could have been. But we'll take it here. As Khalil Herbert will get the ball. And we almost get around the pile there. Maybe for a giant gain. But we'll have to just imagine what that would be like. Because that's not reality right now. As Kyle Pitts is going to get the football. Trying to make one man miss. Can't. 3rd and 2. As Patrick Queen makes a tackle out there on the sideline. And we're going to run here with Khalil Herbert, our short yardage guru, who has converted multiple 4th downs and 3rd downs for us in short yardage situations. And he does here again. Khalil Herbert earning his reps. Oh, and that's a pick right to Patrick. Nope. Right to number 90, David Ajabo. And that was just an errant throw on my part. The running back got caught on his own man trying to get out. And I just threw the ball without even looking. And that's going to be a long pass there to Mark Andrews. 21 yard gain. That's the end of the first quarter. Second quarter here coming up. And it's been fairly close as our last game was at the start. So let's see if we can close this one out a little stronger than the last one, as Lamar Jackson's going to keep it. Tackled down there by Rashaan Evans. Like that a lot. And what is the Ravens offense going to look like down here close to the red zone? Nice play by Richie Grant. 3rd and 2 here. Ravens looking to convert. Nice play there by the defense as we hold them to 4th and 1. And it appears they might be going for it here. And they are. They are going to go for this here. What a gutsy call by the Ravens here. And they make it. Wow. We were so close to holding them back, but we are 1-13, so it's not like I can complain. It is what it is. Great tackle. Lamar Jackson goes down again. Ongalele Unguloli. I don't know how to pronounce it. This dude right here is getting some sacks today. Good for him. We need more sacks. We're going to stop J.K. Dobbins back there in the backfield. 3rd and 10 here. If we can hold him to a field goal, I'd be very happy. Be very happy indeed. And that's going to be 4th down, 4th and 7, and they are going to go for the field goal this time. And great job by the defense. Bend but don't break. Definitely going to need a turnover at some point, though, to really cap off this game. Otherwise, we're just going to be playing catch-up the whole time. And we ain't no condiments. Ketchup, mustard, mayo. And this is going to be a returnable ball by Justin Tucker here. And Batson's going to take it, trying to weave his way through the masses up to the 29-yard line. Not a bad return. And let's see if our offense here can start something. We had a good play by Denzel Mims earlier. Denzel Mims, nice play. And there is a flag. Probably going to be holding. Jake Matthews yet again. What are we doing out here, guys? I'm getting some good plays, and they're getting called back. There's a freaking Jake Matthews out here. Khalil Herbert gaining 10 yards back that we lost there on the penalty. And hopefully there's no holding this time, as we're going to try to move this ball down the field here. Kyle Pitts, nice play by Kyle. And let's do a nice halfback screen here to Khalil Herbert. And we just couldn't get past the block right there, but it was a decent game. Decent game by us. Khalil Herbert's going to get the ball here to try to cross midfield. Good play by the defense. Not allowing much. And I like this. I like the screen to the left side a little more than the right side. We've had more success. And we're just going to be short here, and we're going to go for this. Khalil Herbert gets the first down. And he is so good at those short yards conversions. I can't emphasize that enough just because he's done it so much. Kyle Pitts, nice play. What a grab by Kyle. And our offense, moving the ball a little bit. This is where we make the stupid mistakes, though. This is where the interceptions come into play in the red zone. We got to avoid those. I mean, first down, I'll take the first down, obviously. But I want more. I want it all. And that's going to be it to Kyle Pitts there. Nice play. We're slowly moving it down, looking to score. Go up by 4. And I think we can do it here. I think Drake London might be able to do it right here, actually. Oh, just threw it a little too far out there for Drake London. Otherwise, I think we had it. Maybe. Terrible throw by Desmond Ridder. Can't emphasize that enough. That was not to who I was trying to throw it to. Desmond, what are you doing, dude? Do you not want to play in the NFL? Do you not want to? Because that's how you're playing. Nice play by Denzel Mims to get the first down. Denzel Mims making nothing out of something there. Making something out of nothing. That's even a better phrase. So we're going to fade Drake London over here, as he can't catch the football. Oh, roughing the passer. Okay. Doesn't really help much. Gets us a little closer. Maybe we can punch it in here. Still worried about Drake London and his inability to catch contested balls. And Khalil Herbert just met by every Ravens defender in our area over there. Awesome. And we are going to run the ball here at 2nd and goal, because he has been our best weapon. And he's going to get a touchdown. No, he's not. Wow, they keep him out. They keep out Khalil Herbert. I'm thinking... What? What do we do here? We do a QB run? Try to sneak it in here with Desmond Ridder? Let's try that. Nothing else has worked. Desmond Ridder gets it in for the touchdown, and the QB sneak is good. Desmond Ridder's first rushing touchdown of the year and probably his career. Hopefully we don't miss that extra point, and we don't. 14-10, we retake the lead. Go Falcons, as there's 52 seconds left to play in the half. Hopefully this is not enough time for them to score, but it is more than enough. They might end up scoring twice in this amount of time, honestly. The way Madden is sometimes. As Lamar Jackson is on the field and he has his X Factor activated. So we're going to watch out for Lamar. Great play. Great play keeping J.K. Dobbins in the backfield on that halfback screen. Our defense coming into play today. Our defense is. I love it. Loving our defensive play. Keeping them inbounds, forcing the other timeout. As Baltimore is on their heels a little bit here, trying to get into field goal range maybe even into scoring range. And he's sacked in the backfield as they are on 4th and 5. And we're just going to be content to let them kick this to us or not kick it and go into the half with the lead. Which is, I don't think, ever happened to us, maybe. Probably never happened to us. Going into the half with the lead. Battle of the Birds. You know what it is. You're in the Falcons' nest. Not now because we're in Baltimore, but we traveled the nest to Baltimore. Nest on nest violence. So some poultry action here. As we continue to run on the inside has been successful for us, and none of these really matter anyways, as Baltimore will get the ball to start the second half here. And we've played fairly well this game. Let's try to keep that up here in the second half and not let the classic Ravens collapse be our downfall yet again. As Devin Duvernay gets a nice return to the 26. Lamar Jackson comes back out. Rashad Bateman, J.K. Dobbins, Mark Andrews. And let's see what the Ravens are going to change here in the second half to be more competitive. As Lamar Jackson goes up the middle, nothing there. 3-yard gain. Our defense has really contained Lamar. I've been very happy with the way we've played Lamar Jackson today. I mean, the game still is young, so you never know. And Lamar Jackson gets a good gain there. And right when I say we've contained him well. For Lamar Jackson, we're containing him well. You know? Being the Falcons, we're being such a bad team. We're doing quite well against them. Just want to say that. J.K. Dobbins, man, we're doing amazing against. J.K. Dobbins has nothing on us. But Lamar's the real threat running. As he just blows by the linebacker there. And blown up by number 51 there, Malone. And I got to stop saying things bad about these players, because every time I do, the next play they go off on our defense and just make a big play. And that's just unacceptable, really. Nice play by number 45, tackling Lamar Jackson, 2nd and 10 here. And they are dangerously close to scoring. We want to try to avoid that, maybe hold them to a field goal, if anything. Lamar Jackson stays on his feet, punching the ball out. We can't get it there. Lamar Jackson almost 100 yards rushing today, and it's only the 3rd quarter here. Lamar Jackson having his way with us. Great play by number 95 there. Is that Grady Jarrett? Is that Marlon Davidson? Either way, great play by the D-line. D-line's playing out of their minds today. Out of their minds. And we almost let Mark Andrews score in the end zone. Almost let that happen. And it's 3rd and 1 on the 2. They can get a 1st down here. And the ball's on the ground. Hawkins has it. And a turnover on the 4-yard line. And we have the ball. Wow, what a turn of events. The Ravens fumble at the goal line practically. As Khalil Herbert turns disaster into a few yards there. Wow, what a play by Khalil Herbert. Love that play by Khalil Herbert. Kyle Pitts gets some space, gets out to the 25. Kyle Pitts, great play. Love the play by Kyle there. And Kyle Pitts is having a good day today. Would love to get him a touchdown. Khalil Herbert can't quite get away from anyone. 2nd and 10 here. We will, I guess, try to throw the ball. And that's a sack there by Justin Houston. And that play just was dead from the beginning. I really didn't know what I was doing there. I changed it a few too many times. So we're lucky we didn't get a worse outcome, really. I like Kyle Pitts just straight up the middle here. And that's going to be wide open. Kyle Pitts with the catch. What a play by Kyle Pitts, going up and getting it down the field. What a play. Probably the play of the series. Rookie Desmond Ridder drops back, man in his face, down the field. Kyle Pitts turns, grabs, and even gets some yak. Eventually tackled there by the rookie Kyle Hamilton. And what a play by Kyle Pitts. We're going to run the ball here with Khalil Herbert. Khalil Herbert, no gain. And we are down here at the 38 trying to get into the red zone. Herbert working his way forward. 3rd and 4 here. Ooh, I like Khalil Herbert. I like Khalil Herbert on this play. Sneaking out the back. Nice play. 1st down, Khalil Herbert. And Desmond Ridder quietly having his best game of the year with over 200 yards passing, 14 for 19, touchdown, and 2 picks. And they're starting to crack down on the run, really, on the inside. So you might want to find something else. Great play by Drake London. And we're having our best game passing-wise of the year today. And we're going to run the ball, that being said here, with Kyle... Nope, not with Kyle Hamilton. With Khalil Herbert. But here we are at the passing situation, and we will try a pass. It's going to throw it away there. Nothing open. Didn't want to force nothing. Happy to throw it away. Happy to throw it away, and I believe it's the fourth quarter now. Fourth quarter, we have the ball. 3rd and goal. Can we get some points on the board? Denzel Mims, touchdown, his 2nd of the day, and we go up even more. Wow. We are having one of our better games of the year right now. I did not think we would stand too much of a chance against this Baltimore Ravens team, given they have Lamar Jackson. But Lamar has really been a non-factor despite rushing for 100 yards. I mean, it really hasn't hurt us that much because they haven't scored when they had it. They've been struggling to score. As Denzel Mims has 2 touchdowns today. Lamar Jackson brings the Baltimore offense back onto the field with about 10 minutes to score, down by 11. Definitely a very, very winnable game for them still. And we are playing so well as a defense today that I'm very happy with it. Very happy with our defense. As we're going to see what the Ravens are going to try to do here. And we're playing way off. Way off we are. Lamar Jackson, 6 of 8 for 69 yards. Just really not a threat passing today. Definitely been a good runner. I think just about 100 yards, maybe a little less. Nice play. Out of bounds. And we have 3 sacks today. And we did lose Arnold Ebiketie last week, I believe, for the season. I believe it was a broken thumb, something to that nature. So not great for us. Oh, the ball's loose! Picked up by the O-lineman, 3rd and 10. Wow. We are playing to win today. I don't know what woke these Falcons up today. But they are out here to play. That is for sure. Nice play, A.J. Terrell, and that's going to be a pick 6 here. The pick-a-nick 6. Nope, Lamar Jackson's way too fast. Should have known. Should have known. But I do believe that is our 7th interception of the year for A.J. Terrell, who is by far leading all DBs in interceptions. He might win DB of the year there. Maybe get up to superstar dev. As Khalil Herbert brings it in for the touchdown, and we are dominating the Ravens. And this is nice. We haven't really felt this all year. Our one win against the 49ers. And now today, as we are up 18-10 with 8 minutes to go. And we just got to play smart still. I don't want to get the cart before the horse because Madden can screw you, dude. We will lose this game if I don't stay focused. I guarantee you that. Madden will find a way. Madden will find a way. As Lamar Jackson's going to go back out there after having an abysmal day out there. Our defense really giving him problems. Lamar Jackson, open space. Huge play by Lamar Jackson. You know, that's to be expected. He is one of the better players in the league, especially as a dual threat. So he's going to get his every now and again. But we just got to contain it. That's just the secret to it. Trying to pick that off there. Couldn't quite get the body around to see the ball coming. So we'll have to take that for what it is there. And that's a drop there by Rashad Bateman. Wow, and then the receiver is not doing much to help Lamar Jackson today. As it's 3rd and 10 here. Ravens looking to convert. J.K. Dobbins, does he make it? He does get the first down. I wonder if we could challenge that. Is that worth a challenge? Does he make it there to first down yardage? Looks like he probably does. Probably does. 1st and 10 at the 36. A.J. Terrell tackles him immediately upon catch. Almost dove in front of it there, but didn't quite make it in. And the Ravens are getting close to our end zone. Oh, Lamar slips, saving a touchdown as he has 147 yards. He's definitely tore us up. Definitely has. Nice play, Deion Jones, keeping Lamar out of the end zone. As Tyler Linderbaum is injured for the Baltimore Ravens, and they continue to have the worst luck with injuries today. And that's in by the fullback there. Really nothing we could have done. We sniffed it out pretty well, but they were so close. I mean, they could have sneezed and got the ball in there. But we're still in the lead. No need to calm down, Falcons fans, Falcons franchise faithful. I know there's one of you out there, maybe. And we get the ball here. 5 minutes left, and our job is to take as much time off the clock as possible. That's what we got to do. We got to run this baby down. Trying to get our second win of the year. But I do like this as a passing formation. Really, I do. And I do like, again, I like Kyle Pitts there up the middle. I just feel like they're not being able to stop him at all. Khalil Herbert gets a nice play there. Steps out of bounds. And our best showing on offense so far this year. And they're kind of crowding the box here. Kind of daring us to run. Herbert gets the first, though, in a wacky style of running, but effective nonetheless. And we got to up the tempo here. We want to chew the clock. We want to get that clock down as much as possible as this first down and 10. Nice play there. 2nd and 9 as we continue to try to chew clock here. Khalil Herbert, 2nd and 3. And if we can convert here on this 3rd down and 3, we very well may win this game. And we're going to give it to Khalil Herbert. He has been our short yardage guru this year, and he gets another one. 1st down and 10, Atlanta Falcons. All but securing the win for us here today in Baltimore. I just want to say, what a showing by our guys today. We really have played our hearts out. It's not over till it's over. Justin Houston's hurt, and the Ravens have just riddled with injuries today. Every play seems like it's an injury for the Ravens, man. I feel bad for them, really. Herbert trying to get back to the line of scrimmage doesn't. Loses a few yards here. And we will take this down to the 2-minute warning. And it's 3rd and 14. Are we in field goal range? We're not exactly in field goal range here. Oh, Khalil Herbert. Ravens take a timeout here as they're thinking we need the ball back. But they're down 2 scores. So it's going to be an uphill battle for them with 2 minutes or less here to go. And our defense has played okay today, so I'm okay with giving them the ball back, as this is going to be almost a great punt, but instead it is a touchback here, and they take the ball out at their own 20. We need to contain Lamar. We can't let Lamar beat us. Nice play. Tackle him. Let the time tick off. Let time tick off. That's what we want. And he throws it away. Lamar's 3rd and 1 here. Now, if they somehow don't convert this, things get real interesting for him. Things get real interesting for him here. And that is incomplete. That is it's going to be 4th and 1. This is the last chance that Lamar Jackson and the Baltimore Ravens have a win in this game on this 4th and 1 play here. And I believe it may be a run. Lamar Jackson breaks the tackle. And he gets the 1st down. What a play by Lamar there, but still needing 2 scores with a minute left. A.J. Terrell with a nice play. Nice. Rashad Bateman gets the touchdown. And O.J. Howard, not O.J. Howard, nope, that's a tight end. Casey Hayward just couldn't quite reach in there for the pass breakup. Nice, stopping the 2-point conversion here as they will probably try to go for the onside. They won't get it, and we're just going to kneel the ball out here for our 2nd win of the year. As Brian Edwards gets the ball. And this should just be a few kneel downs until our hands are raised and we get our 2nd W of the video that barely looks like a W. Timeout by Baltimore. One more timeout by Baltimore. And with this kneel down here should seal the victory for us, the Atlanta Falcons, 28-23. And that is going to be it here. As time will expire. And we, the Atlanta Falcons, will be 2 wins on the year. 2-13. Maybe losing our number 1 overall pick status in the process. So even though the win is nice, it might have cost us the number 1 overall pick. As Falcons get their 2nd win of the season. Thank you, Falcons, for actually playing somewhat okay today. Still replacing more than half of you, but what a game. And let's look at the player stats here for probably our best game of the year. Desmond Ridder, 258 yards, 2 touchdowns, 2 picks. Not a bad game by him. 94 yards for Khalil Herbert, 1 touchdown. Still not averaging good per carry. 100 yards for Kyle Pitts. 38 for Khalil Herbert. 77 for Denzel Mims with 2 touchdowns. Drake London had a few catches there. Didn't see the defense, but you know what happened. A few sacks, interception by A.J. Terrell. Not a bad game for us there. And we played somewhat okay. I enjoyed that game, finally. We've been getting blown out so much, dude. It's been hard to play. As Denzel Mims has an upgrade point. And what are we, just route running in general? Playmaker. I heard that upgrades a lot, so we'll see. We get a few. 2 medium, 1 deep, 2 catching. I'll take it. 1 release. Denzel Mims. Who we do need to re-sign here as we do get a win. And let's see if we can offer him a contract maybe here before the end of the episode, as he did not like our last one. He's really not interested in coming back to the team. But will you take this? Thinks you're going to test out free agency still. Are you overvaluing yourself? I feel like you're not worth that much. Although I do want you, so it's a very weird conundrum. But we do beat the Baltimore Ravens as we are now 2-13 on the year. And we will go ahead and advance to week 17 to see what the Cardinals are looking like. As they are 8-7 looking to make the playoffs, I believe. They're not in there yet, but they could sneak in, so they definitely need to win this game. So they're going to be giving it their best. We're going to be facing Kyler Murray, DeAndre Hopkins, J.J. Watt. It's going to be bad. But that's going to do it here on this episode of Falcons Franchise. Hope you enjoyed. Second win of the year. Shout out to the Falcons. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that stuff. Trying to build the channel here on just Madden content in general, football content eventually. So, yeah. Peace.